Alright, hey, Dana here, welcome to my garage. Well, what I gotta do is, before I can get this inspected, I gotta replace that piece of window there. So when I was up at Harbor Freight a couple months ago, I said, hey, I'll get me a windshield removing tool, and should be able to take care of that. Well, unfortunately, because of the location of this thing, you gotta pull this panel here, you gotta pull that, you gotta get under that to get to the back of the window to cut it. On this side, you can't get that little blade under here. So they do make another one with a cable, but I don't know how the heck I'm gonna stand here on one side and then, you know, go up and down all the way across and cut that thing. So I got glass coverage with Geico, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have them do it. I'm not gonna mess around with that. I might do the windshield on my, no, actually I'm gonna have no choice but to do the windshield on the Nitro, because I haven't got it on the road yet. I got no insurance on it, so there is no glass coverage on that, and I'm gonna have to either replace it or see if I can fill somebody shot it with BBs. So it's got BB holes, you know, pellet indentions in the window. So I'm gonna wind up having to replace the window myself on that. So anyway, I don't know about replacing it, but maybe I can fill those holes and it'll still pass inspection. But unfortunately, this is probably a nice little tool to have. And you just grab it, you push it down. I started doing it on another Escape, but I got stuck. I couldn't go any further. After I pulled the panels off along the bottom, and then along that side, I was able to get in there and start pulling across. It's probably cut enough that I could put a cable cutter in there, but I don't see how I'm going to be able to do both sides unless you got two people, one on one side, one on the other, cutting it. That's probably the best way to do it. But anyway, that's my it's going to be my evaluation of the Pittsburgh Windshield removal tool. You just hold it with your right hand, and then, well, if you left hand or right hand, and then you just keep it steady and keep it down, and then you pull it with the T part of the handle here, and it was working good. I have no complaint. It's just I wound up being obstacles in the way when I was doing it. So doing a windshield probably going to be easy. But then again, you got to look at it like this. You're gonna have a broken windshield, so you're gonna pull the glass out of the area that needs to go, and you're gonna be right there with where the rubber is. So you should be able to go right around and cut the rubber. So, you know, trying to get a good window out is where my difficulty was in trying to do that Escape's back window. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Dana's Garage.